Hey everyone, it's Sarah Fudenosuke here, and I am here filming for the first week of 2019, which is a little bit exciting. So it starts December 31st and it goes to January 6th, and this week is going to be a little bit different because I am a government employee and I am furloughed this week. So I have a set of procedures that I have to go through, a checklist for being furloughed. So I have a space sectioned off here so that I can put in those furloughed checklist items, and then I'm going to continue on with my tried and true running task list. And I decided, because of the type of week it is, I am going to include a little bit of a quote to get me through the week, and a little drawing of this penguin to keep with the Arctic animal theme. So I'm gonna speed you up, put on some music, and I will see you on the other side. Alright, so there is my setup for week 1. I think I'm going to add some shadows on this guy here. Just to give him a little bit more of a complete look. So I have my shutdown procedures up here in this section, and then the rest of my tasks for the week are going to be a running task list, as you guys have seen before, but I'll give you an idea of what that means. For example, my YouTube videos post on Monday and Friday, so instead of having two different tasks that say post YouTube video, it'll look like this on Monday and on Friday. So for one line, I can have both tasks. So I like to use this type of running task list when I know that there's going to be a lot of recurring tasks in the week, and because we'll be shut down for who knows how long. I know that I'll have a lot of recurring tasks in the week, so this is a really good setup for me to consolidate it down to one page, and also to be able to keep things to one line so that I can post across the actual task instead of putting multiple tasks throughout the week for recurring tasks. So I hope you guys like this video. If you do, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, all that kind of jazz, and I will see you on Friday. Bye, everyone.